Assalamu alaikum class 9. This is your computer class. Our chapter is web development. This is the reduced outline of this chapter. We have two last topic in this class: HTML tag and designing and formatting. Write down the step 2 involving in creating web page in HTML. Creating a simple web page using HTML is very easy. It requires a text editor, a file with HTML extension and a web browser to view that page. Creating web page involving in creating web page in HTML. We have 4 steps involving in web page designing. Number 1, text editor and HTML coding. Save how we save the HTML page and how we view the page in browser. These are the 4 steps. Number 1 step, start by simply creating a new blank file in a text editor of your choices. A simple text editor like Notepad can be used to start coding HTML for a web page. Step 2, involving the understanding about HTML. Apply the various steps involving in creating a web page. Develop understanding about HTML tag and recognize the basic structure of an HTML document. Step number 3, save HTML. When we complete our program, then we save our program with HTML or HTML extension like this. This is the necessary option when we going to save our file .html. This is the third step. Step number 4, view HTML page in browser. Open the save HTML file in your default web browser. The web browser will automatically translate HTML code to correctly display the web page. What are HTML tags? These tags are placed inside angular bracket. We use angular bracket for all the tags. Footer tag, we have different kind of tag: footer tag, paragraph and break for starting the tags. Bold tags used for bold, italic and underline. Tag used for pre-tag. Tag used for text color and face. Tags used for center of web page. Tag used for subscript and superscript. Some HTML tag introduce content directly into the web page, while other enhance the design and format of the content. These are the language tags: HTML and head tags and body tags. Body tags. This is the program for head, title and body. How we can use the HTML head and title and body tag. This is the program, and in the box this is the output. I already explained how we write down the program in HTML and how we save the program and how we can show the output of the program. These are the different tags we use in the HTML program. title tag, footer tag, p tag, br tag, hr and h1 h6 tag. I will explain the one program for each tag. Program number 1, footer tag. We use the footer. How we can use the footer in HTML program? This is the program. Write down the program in Notepad, save the program and show the output like this. Program number next, p tag. How we can use a p tag? Write down the program in Notepad, save the program with HTML extension and show the output. The p tag program, the br program, the program used for br tag. This is the output of the br tag program. This is the program for hr tag and the output of the program. This is the program for h1 tag. H1 tag used for different size of the text. We have some more tag used in the HTML program like bold, italic, underline, pre-formatted text, font text, center text, sub tag means subscript tags, sup tags means superscript tag. This is the program used for the bold, italic and underline. Write down the program. I will show you one program how we can use and write down the notepad like this. Copy the program or write down the program in notepad like this. Save the program. Go to the file menu and save the program like this. I write down the program name, bold, italic and underline, bold, italic, underline .html and save the program on the desktop like this. And this is the bold, italic, underline program. Double click the program and show the output, bold, italic and underline. I explain one program as a practical. These are the other programs. Write down all the program in notepad and save the program and double click the icon for the result. If this is the font tag program, this is the center tag program and this is the subscript program and the output of the subscript program, this is the superscript program. Use and write down all the program in notepad and show the output. Our chapter web development is completed now. Thank you.